To write the music, we need to draw the 5 lines. The first line, second line, third line, fourth line and the fifth line. This set of 5 lines are called the staff. The lines are count from the bottom. This is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line and the fifth line. And in between the line there is the space. The first space, this is the first space, then second space, third space and the fourth space. In the first space, second space, third space and the fourth space. After drawing the 5 lines, the notes comes on every line and in the space. On the first line the note comes is the E. On the second line is G. Third line it's B. Fourth line it's D. And the fifth line it's F. You can call it like anything, like every good boy does fine. Now the notes on the space. In the first space the note comes is F. Then in the second space it's A. In the third space it's C. And in the fourth space it's E. You can call it face, F-A-C-E, face, just to remember for yourself. How to write a note? Just draw a circle. This is called the note head. And draw a small line. This is called a stamp. If the music is lower, the stamp is drawn from your right side of your hand. And if the music is higher, then the stamp is drawn from the left hand side of your hand. Some basic signs we need to know. Now let's see what is sharp and what is flat. The sharp is like this. Just draw 2 lines and then this. This is a sharp. And the flat is this, like a small B. Key signature. Key signature tells us on which scale the song is being played. If there is no sharp, that means the song is played on the C major scale. And if there is one sharp over here, that is the F sharp, that means this song is on G major scale. The sharps or the flat tells us the scale or the key of the song, on which key it should be played. Now comes the time signature. Time signature tells us how many counts are there in each bar. Now for example, I'm going to take the time signature 4 upon 4. This means 4 crotchet beats in a 1 bar. So in every bar there will be 4 counts everywhere. How to know your music notes? This is the notes chart which you all have to keep in mind in order to play the basic songs, that is simple song. The first is the semibreve. It's just a circle. So the name of this note is semibreve. It has 4 counts. That means it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. This note lasts for the 4 counts, and this means the rest. When you see this sign, it means the 4 beats rest we have to keep. Let's go to the second one. This is the minim rest. It's like first you write like a semibreve you have to, and just draw the stem, but no shade. This is a minim note. See, look at the minim note. There's no shade, just so. And it has 2 beats. 2 beats means 1, 2. That's all. And the minim rest is this one. It's just like drawing the line downwards and just doing this, opposite of the semibreve. Now we have the crochet. It's same. It looks like the minim, but it is shaded over here. Shaded means this is a crochet. Crochet has the 1 count, and this is the rest. 1 count means just 1. And now the 4th one is a quever. Quever is almost part of the crochet. That is, we draw the crochet and just giving a move. This is a quever. Quever has a half, and the rest of the quever is like this way. Dot and do this way. This is the rest of a cut. That means you have to keep a half bit rest. The first clef I am going to show you all is the G clef. The G clef starts from the second line. This is the second line. Just start from here, just come down a little bit, go to the 3rd line, take a round again, come down, touch the 1st line, and straight you go up this way, land it a little bit, and then come down. This is the G clef. The G clef we write because most of the G clef notes are played with the right hand side, with the right hand. This is called a G clef. Or it is also called the treble clef. Now the next clef is the bass clef. The bass clef starts from the 4th line over here. Just make a dot, and then from here you go like this, touch the last line and come to the 3rd line and put a dot between this 4th line. This clef is called the bass clef. Or it also called the F clef. This bass clef we usually play the notes with the left hand. Now the G clef notes are played with the right hand, and the bass clef notes usually are played with the left hand. Now let's learn how to write the notes. Now we write the notes. The first note is on the ledger line, that is first ledger line. Then the space. Then the 3rd note is on the 1st line. Then the 1st space. Then the 2nd line. Then the 2nd space. 3rd line. 3rd space. And it goes on. The first note is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. This actually a C major scale, which I'll be doing in my next video.